Hello everyone, once again Narendra here. Do you know Java become very easy now? Yes, Java 21 going to be released in this month itself. Just another 9 days is remaining. That is 19th September 2023. And you know, post Java 17, Java 21 is the latest LTS release. This Java 21 will be long term support release. This is a major release actually, and around 15 new features they have added in this Java 21. Out of 15, 5 6 very important feature as a developer we should know. It is really interesting. Let's discuss one by one with a example, and I am very sure that if you are going through this session you will be understand conceptually what are those new features, and it will be helpful to crack any of the interview, and you can use this in your project work as well. And each 6 month nowadays Java getting release, new release is coming. Okay, so but this 21 is a long term support release. Let's see. So before to write a simple program we need these 4 5 lines of code, right? A class, a main method, and write some lines if you want hello world lines, right? So in Java 21, do you believe only like void main, no need to pass any arguments, nothing is there, only write this hello world, it will work. Let's see how it is working. Okay, I will show you. I'm using VS Code editor, VS editor, Visual Studio editor. Okay, you can download it like this. Any editor you can use actually. Open your any browser and just type VS Code download. Okay, Visual Studio Code. Okay, you click this. I will provide this link. Okay, click here Windows. I'm using this Windows 11. Okay, you click here, one exe file will be downloaded. You can just double click, it will be installed. Okay, that's all. So also we need Java 21, right? So you just put Java 21 download, and this is the RC build, actually candidate builds. Okay, so this is the official link. Actually I will provide this link as well in my description, because it is preview release. Standard release will come on 19th September. Okay, another 9 days is remaining. So once you click this link, there is a Windows operating system link, right? So if you click here, one zip file will be downloaded. Once you downloaded that zip file, you can keep anywhere. I like here in my C drive there is a Naren software folder. Here I kept this after downloading Java 21. Okay, after that I just unzipped it here. Okay, and once you unzipped it, this Java 21, you need to set the path. Okay, because you wanted to use, right? So you copy up to this bin folder, go to your environment variable, edit environment variable. Okay, set in the system variable, you set it, it will be set instead of user variable. You set it in system variable, it will set for all the users. Sorry, you click the path here. Okay, and you click edit. You see I already added. If you have not added, suppose you are using Java 11 or 17, you can edit here and you can paste. After pasting you just put it. Okay, okay, okay. Then what you need to do, you can test it like this. You open any command prompt. Okay, it should be new. Okay, not the same one. Okay, Java then hyphen version it will give. You see it is saying like Java 21 I am using, and also they given the release date, standard release date 19th September 2023. Okay, then let's see how this program is working. I told you, right? This program, this one line of code, it will work with main method, right? So just I wanted to compile this. How to compile it? If you will see Java C, then the file name is demo. demo.java. You see, it is giving a error. It's saying like enable preview you need to use because this is not standard release, right? So you need to use this enable preview. Java C enable preview, then demo.java. You need to provide release. Okay, you see it's saying either you need to use source or release, so better to use release. Okay, I will say like Java C. I can use here release, sorry, then release version I am giving 21. It is compiling successfully. Okay, this is the command. Enable preview we need to apply, and you need to apply release. It belongs to which release? Actually this command until standard release will come in 19th September, no need to add this command. Only Java C it will work. It is compiling successfully. Then how to run it? You will give Java, then that file name. Okay, but you need to use enable preview here as well. You see, it will say like you need to use enable preview here as well. Okay, so add that enable preview. You see, it is giving result, right? Hello world, I am able to print without any class and all. So do you think that it is like not obeying object oriented concept? It is not having any class? No, there is a implicit class. You see, that's why a dot class file is created, demo dot class. It is created, right? So even you can add multiple main method. Okay, so I can add like this with argument also I can add. So Java compiler, it will find the which one is fast, it will run fast. I will say like this. I will add one more method with args. Let compile and run. You see, compile successfully and running. You see, it is with args. So even static also we can add multiple main method. We can add which one he will get fast, it will run fast. So this is called unnamed classes. This is a new feature in Java 2 without any name. So whenever a new beginners writing programs, no need to bother for the class and all the syntax and all. It's like a Python and Kotlin, it is competing. Java, it's very easy now. So this is a very useful feature. Let's move another features. Okay, that is string template. You see, these are the features I am going to explain. String templates. Okay, I will see what is that, and sequence collections, record patterns, pattern matching for switch statement, virtual threads. We'll see one by one. All are very important. Okay, so let's understand what is that string template. Suppose I'm having a simple program like this. Okay, let's clear the console. Okay, so I wanted to print 10 plus 20 equal to 30. Like this I wanted to print. So how I will print? I can write like this, right? System dot out dot println. I will say like, if I'll say like this, a, I will give space. Okay, a plus b equal to, I will say like this, a plus b. Will it print? No, right? We'll say Java C, the class name I given template.java. It is compiled successfully and I will run template. It is giving the character, right? But I want the value. So instead of doing so, if I'll write like this, string, we'll say result equal to, and if I'll pass here result, same thing it will print. Nothing I did extra, right? Let me show you once. Uh, Let me compile once. It is printing same things because we just assigned a variable. Okay, but I need here value instead of variable, right? So you are aware of this variable, this placeholder, right? If you write like this, let's see what it is printing. It will print same things with curly bracket because we have not done much, right? You see, with curly bracket only. I wanted to print the value instead of the appearance, instead of the characters, right? You need to use this slash. Okay, so let's run this time. Okay, so if you see Java C, what it is saying, it is a string template. Actually, this is preview features. It is giving expected error. We need to use enable preview. Okay, like this. And we need to use that release 21. You see, okay, enable preview hyphen release, I think. Okay, so this is working actually, but it is giving another error, that is processor missing. Okay, because you see it is a template expression, so at least it is recognizing this Java 21, it's a template expression and processor missing. So we need to add this processor str. This is the processor. It is like by default added in all the classes. It's public, static and final. Okay, this is the template processor str. Okay, like this other processor also is there in Java 21, mtf something kind of that. Okay, now let's run. Okay, no need to worry. You see, it is compiled successfully, right? Let me show you one more time. It is compiled successfully. Now let's run. How to run it? We'll give the file name and no need to mention the release version, and enable preview is required and Java. If you run it, you see it is printing the expected result. We need in this format 10 plus 20 equal to 30, right? So this is called string template. You are thinking that, like, you see, without string template also we can print like this. Okay, instead of this I can give like this. So I will say a plus, I will say plus symbol, I will say plus symbol, and b, then I will say, it is tedious and complex, but we can write b, uh, I will say here equal to plus a plus b. Let's see whether any syntax error. Or if I'll say Java C template dot Java, it's compiling successfully and running, giving expected result. But you see, it's very small things, but you see you need to write this space and forward slash, all these things, not forward slash, like we need to very thoroughly you need to write. Okay, but in this example we are able to write. But think about whenever we are having a complex SQL query, SQL injections query and all, that times this string template will be really useful. I have not given a real life example because it will be complex. To make you easy to understand, I given this simple example. Okay, so uh, once the standard release will come, I will give what is the, I will give another sessions, I will provide that. So what is the real useful of this? Okay, so this string template, okay, it's really very important. You see, it is printing. This is string template example. Let's move into next feature, that is called sequence collections. Okay, what is this sequence collections? You know, in collections we are having to get the first element and last element of the collections, like list, dq, set, sorted set. We are having non-uniform method. That means different methods to do the same operations. In case of list, we will use get. Instead of dq, we will use get first, get last, something like that. You see here only fast. In case of sorted set, fast, last, like this it will be, anyone can be confused, right? Instead of remembering all these new methods, they have given get fast, get last from Java 21 onwards. For that, they have added the sequence collections under this collections interface. Collections, sequence collections extends from collections, and they have added this kind of mechanism. Okay, so it's simple only. Okay, sequence collections. Let's move to this next feature, that is called record patterns. Okay, what is this record patterns? So you know, a record class, you that is introduced in Java 16. Okay, Java 16 and 17. Oh, no need to worry where when it is introduced and when. But record class is a very important feature. Okay, you need to know that. If you don't know, no need to worry. You can refer my previous video. I will give you the link here also. So that is very important concept. It is like removing the boilerplate code. We are having this Pojo class, right? So there are setter getters, all this boilerplate code, two string, hash code methods, many more things is there, right? Only no need to write all this code. 45 lines of code for a simple program we need. But that lines we can remove only one line, like so only one line we can use that project class. Okay, so lombok is there, but still in lombok, in spring boot, we are having some drawbacks. Okay, some codes we are using. Okay, so this record class is very simple, one line we can write. And if I wanted to use this record class elements or attributes, we need to explicitly access like this with the reference dot that attribute name. We need to destructure like this. If you I wanted to access a element of a record class, so if you go through what is record class, you will be better understanding. Okay, so this is the problem with this before Java 21. So it's before we are having, we need to explicitly with uh, with the reference dot we need to access, but from Java 21 directly we can access, no need to destructure it. Okay, so go through it record class, then you will be very well understand, I think. Okay, and also this record class we can pass as a string arguments in case of switch. In there is a lot of changes in string switch, in switch statement itself in Java. Okay, you can go through. I have added a new videos on this switch statement. You can go through that whenever you are having times. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, this record class also we can pass as a string arguments, even a label also we can. You see, this is a record class, we can check that. Okay, so this is also a very important feature. Okay, we should aware of it. Okay, and virtual threads, it is like threading mechanism, threading applications. Whenever you are using, it's very complex. Whenever more than thousands of records is coming and thread is handling that, so we are having some background threads. But this virtual threads is very lightweight. Okay, and it is providing very scalability. Whenever we are having a concurrency application, multi-threaded application, it is providing very simplicity, this virtual threads, a very lightweight. Okay, more efficient way we can use it. And the session will be very long if I will explain this better. Once the standard release will come, I will explain in a separate session what is this virtual thread. Okay, so for the time being, you understand that this is a very important features. All these are important feature from Java 21 onwards. Okay, so as a developer we should know. If any doubt, please comment. I will respond it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like this, if you understood something, please like, comment, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it, and it will be motivate me to create new videos. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Okay, bye, we'll meet in next videos. Thank you.